this right here is one of the most hyped up fragrances, and I'm very excited to try this out. Okay, now let's open it. So that right there is PDM Altair. Amazing bottle design, very nice. Good colors, looks perfect. The scent profile on this is sweet, vanilla, warm, spicy, cinnamony. It's a bit aromatic. It has powdery elements, and it is a bit citrusy. It's a winter perfume, and the notes in this is very good. So the top notes when you spray, you should be getting cinnamon, cardamom, orange blossom, and bergamot, which sounds very good. I'm gonna, of course, test this out. And then in the middle, I'll also give a review on that. You'll get vanillic notes, all right. And in the base note, you'll get this musky, tonka berry, candied almond, a very nice scent. I'll also be giving a review on that. I'll be spraying this on my skin because I feel like this is a perfume that deserves to be sprayed on the skin. It is that good, and the reviews are that good. All right, then let's get started. Amazing atomizer, I must say. It's not pressurized, but the sillage is insanely good. Oh, I can already smell it in the air. Very nice cinnamon, cardamom. It's very good, very nice already. Let's just see how it is on my skin. I'll be smelling it in a bit. Smelling it at first. Very dense. Very dense. I have smelled French Avenue multiple times. The dry down might be similar, but definitely not the start. The start in this is a lot stronger, a lot more dense. I think I like this better, the start. It's very nice. It's very. For some reason, I'm already smelling the vanilla. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it reacts differently with different people's skin, so I guess this is my skin's reaction. Yeah, I can smell the cardamom. Very nice. I can smell that orange blossom. If I think about it, I can definitely smell that orange blossom. I can smell it is a bit citrusy. It is very nice, warm. This is definitely recommended. However, I will be getting back to you with the middle notes and the base notes. I'll be waiting for the dry down. So see you guys in about 2 to 3 hours. Alright, so I waited for a good 2 to 3 hours, and honestly, to me, this was not the best. I feel like there are better winter perfumes. The initial was very good, I will admit, but later on, it just kind of gave me a headache. But still, it's very good. However, I do rate this, unfortunately, 7 out of 10, which is still a very good rating. However, it did give me a headache. So yeah, it's good, but it's not for me.